What's up, y'all? Will Phelps here with Phelps on the Fly. Just thought I'd give you guys kind of a quick update on what's been happening. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded videos, and for that reason I've been traveling around Argentina for the last month. This has been one of the most incredible trips I've ever been on. Argentina is a beautiful country. The culture, the food, the people, I mean, it's all amazing, and not to mention the fishing. So I'm looking forward to showing y'all some more footage from the end of our trip. But coming up right now, I'm going to show you just some quick stuff that I got the other day, and then in a few weeks I'll be going through the rest of the footage and putting out some YouTube videos. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video.
This is a very little production.
My faith in you.